The Initiation tab is where you can track monthly data around initiations and related metrics. To begin, indicate which data elements you plan on tracking each month. In column C, there are drop-down menus, and you can select to yes those that you decide you're going to be tracking each month. For screening, use cell D6 to indicate whether you are not tracking it, no data, if you're tracking it using a one-step screening process or a two-step process, which means that you screen first for risk eligibility and then for clinic eligibility. The gray cells in column C will automatically update based on that selection. So I'm going to continue making my selections. You'll see that in number initiated PrEP, including reinitiations, is set to yes. That's because it's the minimum input for this tab. And if you're going to be using this tab, that's really the key feature that links into the other modules. If you're not tracking, you can select either no or leave it as a dash. There's room for 3 different custom indicators. If you select them to yes, it'll pop up and you can write right over what that might be that you're tracking. So, for an example, if I was distributing referral vouchers and I wanted to track how many were coming in each month, I could specify it that way. Okay, once you've completed your selections, then you can move on to specifying the time period for which you'll be collecting data. Start with the first month. And then put in the last month. So each month you should be coming in and updating your data. I've put in 1 year of data here. So I'm going to say the last month is August 2019. But if I were to come back and do it in September, then I would update this to the next month. So the orange cells indicate where you should be entering your data. They're linked to whether or not you selected yes up above. And you can see that I've put in 1 year of data here. There's room for up to 5 years of data collection. Once your data is entered, you can click on Viewing Initiation Results. And these give you the PrEP cascade through initiation. And it gives you 2 different graphics. There's one that looks where each variable is nested, and one where the denominator is always of the percent screened. So how many were deemed eligible, how many were offered PrEP, and then how many of those screened were initiated. And this can help with program monitoring. This cascade information is dynamic, so you can choose by priority population. And then if you've chosen for entered more than 1 year of data, you can look at it also by year. There's also a number of tables with more detailed information. So that's all that's done on this tab.